What if the camera DJI hasn't even announced yet is already the one everyone's gonna want by the end of next year? The Osmo Action 6 just hit shelves, but the internet's attention has already jumped ahead to whatever DJI is cooking up next. That's the DJI Action 7, and even though nothing is official, the pattern DJI has followed for years is giving us a surprisingly clear picture of what's coming. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the expected release window, the rumored price, and the upgrades that could make this DJI's most refined action camera yet. DJI doesn't really do surprises when it comes to timing. They stuck to a yearly rhythm for their action camera line, and most of those launches land in the back half of the year, right around Q3 or Q4. Following that logic, the DJI Action 7 is reportedly lining up for a late 2026 debut, with October or November looking like the most likely window. Basically, right in time for holiday wish lists. Pricing is expected to follow the same steady approach DJI always takes. Instead of a big jump, the base model is rumored to stay close to what the Action 6 launched at, with bundles offering extra batteries and mounts pushing the price higher for creators who want the full kit. So, what actually changes under the hood? Don't expect a brand new sensor, because that's reportedly not the plan here. DJI seems more focused on squeezing everything it can out of the current sensor through smarter processing and tighter computational tuning. And that's where things get interesting, because the area getting the most attention right now is low light performance. Reports suggest cleaner night footage, noticeably less noise, and better detail retention in shadows, which has always been the weak spot for compact action cameras. Dynamic range is expected to improve too, meaning less blown-out skies and more balanced footage straight out of the camera without needing to fix everything in post. If there's one thing DJI has never really dropped the ball on, it's stabilization, and the Action 7 is expected to push that even further. Rumors point to tighter horizon leveling, less micro-shake during fast movement, and quicker correction when things get chaotic, whether that's biking, running, or just handheld chaos. Battery life and heat management are also expected to see small but meaningful gains, letting creators shoot longer without the camera slowing down or shutting off mid-session. The rugged, waterproof shell that's become the Action series' signature look isn't expected to change either, so don't expect a redesign here. Here's the part that has nothing to do with specs. DJI has been dealing with growing regulatory pressure in certain markets, especially in the US, and while none of that has directly touched action cameras yet, it's still something worth watching closely. DJI has shown before that it can adapt, shifting how products get distributed or branded when it needs to, so even if restrictions never reach the Action 7, it's a reminder that release plans aren't always just about engineering. Sometimes the biggest unknown isn't the camera at all. The DJI Action 7 isn't shaping up to reinvent the category, it's shaping up to perfect it. So tell me, what upgrade matters most to you? The low light jump or the improved stabilization? Drop your take in the comments, hit like if this got you excited, and subscribe so you don't miss the moment this thing goes official.